Unboxing the flowing hair metal. Did I get a Privy mark? In a previous video, I explained the lotto ticket nature of this purchase. Did I receive one with the coveted 230 Privy mark? This is Coins Rock. Stay tuned for the unboxing. I had no problem with the purchasing process. I logged in shortly before noon on October 15th, spent a few minutes in what the Mint called the waiting room, then I completed the purchase in a matter of moments. It took about 24 hours for the issue to sell out all 75,000 pieces. I opted for the standard delivery fee, which offered 1 to 2 week delivery. The metal actually showed up in 5 days. Now on to the unboxing. This is what the package looks like. My odds of a Privy mark are about 1 in 42, so let's see. Inside the box, we have this document from the Mint explaining the history of the piece, all the background information. And then on the other side, you can see the certificate of authenticity. And again, the history and background of the coin here, or the metal. Now for the big moment that we've been waiting for. We open up the coin, or we open up the box, and we take a look at the metal inside. Does it or doesn't it? And it doesn't. No Privy mark. Still a beautiful looking metal. Very authentic to the original piece. And you can see the obverse. Now here's the reverse. Again, very authentic reproduction of the original 1794 coin. So, now that I got one without the Privy mark, there's a number of different options as to what I can do with my metal. I can keep it ungraded and add it to my collection. I can try to flip it raw for a quick profit. I can send it off for grading and hope I get a 70. So far, only about half the people who have sent them in for grading have gotten a 70 versus a 69. I can return it to the Mint. Rumor has it that a lot of people who didn't get a Privy mark are thinking of returning them, but given that raw metals are selling for above $200, I doubt many will actually return them. Right now, I plan to just keep it as is for the long run. It may be early, but it looks like the program has been a big success. Maybe the Mint will do more of these kinds of programs in the future. I'd love to hear from someone who did get a medal with a Privy mark. If so, leave it in the comments. This has been Coins Rock. Thanks for watching.